Welcome to Phone Breakdown! In this video, we'll compare the Samsung Galaxy A37 and the Oppo Reno 14F. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Samsung Galaxy A37 and Oppo Reno 14F both come with a 50-megapixel main camera, offering similar photo resolution on paper. Samsung Galaxy A37 packs an ultra-wide and a macro camera, while Oppo Reno 14F also includes an ultra-wide, but with a lower resolution macro. Samsung Galaxy A37 records up to 4K at 30 frames per second, while Oppo Reno 14F adds higher slow motion options at 1080p. Samsung Galaxy A37 is powered by the Exynos 1480, while Oppo Reno 14F runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. Samsung Galaxy A37 and Oppo Reno 14F both has an octa-core CPU, but the Galaxy A37 delivers better overall CPU performance. Samsung Galaxy A37 features the X-Clips 530 GPU, while Oppo Reno 14F comes with the Adreno 710. Samsung Galaxy A37 offers a slightly larger 6.7-inch display, while Oppo Reno 14F is a bit more compact. Both Samsung Galaxy A37 and Oppo Reno 14F use AMOLED displays for rich colors and deep blacks. Samsung Galaxy A37 and Oppo Reno 14F deliver similar Full HD Plus resolution with sharp visuals. Both phones support a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for scrolling and animations. Samsung Galaxy A37 gets noticeably brighter outdoors, while Oppo Reno 14F offers slightly lower peak brightness. Samsung Galaxy A37 is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, while Oppo Reno 14F uses Dragon Trail glass. Samsung Galaxy A37 comes with up to 8 gigs of RAM, while Oppo Reno 14F goes higher with up to 12 gigs. Samsung Galaxy A37 offers up to 256 GB storage, while Oppo Reno 14F doubles that with options up to 512 GB. Samsung Galaxy A37 skips expandable storage, while Oppo Reno 14F supports a microSD card. Samsung Galaxy A37 has a 12-megapixel selfie camera, while Oppo Reno 14F steps up with a 32-megapixel front camera. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports 4K video from the front, while Oppo Reno 14F is limited to 1080p. Samsung Galaxy A37 packs a 5,000 mAh battery, while Oppo Reno 14F goes bigger with a 6,000 mAh cell. Both Samsung Galaxy A37 and Oppo Reno 14F support fast 45-watt charging. Samsung Galaxy A37 comes with a glass back, while Oppo Reno 14F uses a plastic back. Samsung Galaxy A37 is slightly taller and wider, while Oppo Reno 14F is more compact but a bit thicker. Samsung Galaxy A37 feels heavier in hand, while Oppo Reno 14F is noticeably lighter. Both phones come with stereo speakers for a better audio experience. And as expected in this segment, neither of the two offers a 3.5mm headphone jack. Both have under-display optical fingerprint sensors. Both models come with accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass sensors. Network support is the same on both, with full 5G connectivity. Both phones offer the same Wi-Fi 802.11 connectivity. Finally, both phones come with NFC for contactless payments and connectivity. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.